Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your studies are going well. So, as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment A1. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video I will explain you worksheet 10. So, from today we are starting a new lesson in English grammar, that is lesson 5. Topic of the lesson is articles. So, the explanation of lesson 5 I have already provided in your WhatsApp group through a link. I hope you all have seen that video and you all have understood the topic well. So now let's come back to the work of today's worksheet. So before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 19th April 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention lesson 5 in your copies topic also, that is articles. Now let's see the work of today's worksheet. In today's worksheet I will explain you definitions. So first of all, introduction of articles. How many articles are there? There are 3 articles, that is a, and, the. Next question is how many types of articles are there? Name them. कितने प्रकार के articles होते हैं? You have to name them. Answer is there are 2 types of articles. Types of articles are indefinite article and definite article. So indefinite articles are of 2 types, that is a and n, and definite article is the only. Next definition is of indefinite article. A and n are called indefinite articles. When we talk about something for the first time, we use an indefinite article. So a and n जो होता है वो आपका indefinite article कहलाते हैं. जब कभी भी हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में फर्स्ट टाइम बात करते हैं तब हम indefinite article का यूज़ करते हैं. Example you can see, I met a girl. We are talking about the girl first time. So here we have used a. Rahul is an intelligent boy. Rahul एक intelligent लड़का है. Because of I, intelligent is starting with a vowel, that's why we have used n here. Next definition is of definite article. The is called definite article. When we talk about something again, we use the. We also use the with particular things. So the जो होता है वो हमारा definite article होता है जब कभी भी हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में दोबारा बात करते हैं, means we have already talked about the thing and we are talking about the same thing again. So we use the. We also use the with particular things, proper nouns, और हम proper nouns के साथ भी the का use करते हैं. Example you can see, I met a girl, the girl was crying. So here we have already talked about the girl. I met a girl, मैं एक लड़की से मिला, the girl was crying, वो लड़की रो रही थी. So here we have used the because we are talking about the girl again. Second example is the Nile is the longest river. So here Nile is the proper noun, that's why we have used the here, and we have used the again because longest is the superlative degree of adjective. So that's why we have used the here. The sentence is the Nile is the longest river. Next exercise is use appropriate articles for the following nouns. Some nouns are being given here. You have to use appropriate articles for them. First one is most brilliant student. That means it is superlative degree of adjective, and with superlative degree of adjective we use the. Next is Qutub Minar, which is a proper noun. So we have used the. Next is European city. Although it is starting with a vowel, but the sound is of a consonant, European. When you will write in Hindi, it will become European. So that's why we have used a here. Next is orchard. So O is a vowel, that's why we have used N. Next one is ire, Uttradhikari. Here H is silent and the sound is of E, which is a vowel, that's why we have used N. Next is piano. So with the musical instrument, we have used the. Next is dash rich and dash poor. When we are talking about the whole group, so that time we use the. The rich means sare amir, the poor sare garib. Next is MLA, which is starting with a consonant but the sound is of a vowel, MLA. So we have used N. The same thing has happened here also, that is NGO, N. Host, which is a consonant. First word is a consonant, so we have used a. Next is earth, which is a proper noun. हमने दा का यूज़ किया है. First prize, so यहाँ पर हमने दा लगाया है. Next is umbrella, which is starting with U, which is a vowel, and that's why we have used N. Next is red fort, particular thing it is. The we have used. Indians, we have used the. When we are referring to the people of a country, we use the. So this was definitions and one exercise related to lesson 5. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.